In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal account with Government ID. If you need to confirm your identity on PayPal, this process is usually quick and straightforward. Verifying your account can help unlock certain account features and make your profile more secure and complete. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account and have your Government ID number ready so you can enter it accurately. To get started, go to your PayPal account and look for the gear icon, usually located near the top of the page. This is the settings area. Click the gear icon to open your account settings. This section is where you can manage your personal details, security preferences, and account information. Once you're inside settings, navigate to the section for National ID. This is the area where PayPal allows you to update your identification details for verification purposes. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before continuing, since PayPal may show several profile options. When you find the National ID section, click on Edit. This will open the field where you can provide or update your Government ID information. If your account already has some information saved, review it carefully before making any changes. Accuracy is important here, because even a small mistake could delay verification. Next, enter your ID number exactly as it appears on your government-issued document. Be careful while typing and double-check each digit or character before moving on. It's best to enter the information slowly and carefully to avoid errors. Also, make sure you're entering the correct identification number in the correct field, since this information is used to confirm your identity. After you've entered the ID number, click Save. This submits the information to PayPal and updates your account details. In many cases, that's all you need to do to complete this part of the verification process. Once saved, it's a good idea to wait a moment and confirm that the change was accepted successfully. If PayPal shows any message asking you to review or correct the information, follow that prompt and make sure everything matches your official ID. And that's it. That's how to verify your PayPal account with Government ID. As a final tip, always complete this process on the official PayPal website or app, and avoid sharing your ID details anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.